Hello everybody, I'm Eldine, the current president of the Biological Sciences Club. Today, I will be sharing about what student life is like in SBS. Yes, our students do have a life, and help you guys understand what exactly you're getting into when you join our school. So, when I was first invited to share about this, I was all, sure, I love talking about student life. It is what I'm most passionate about after all, right? Wrong. When I finally sat down to pen my thoughts, I was at a loss. Being a student is easy. When we enter uni, we all became students. But what about life? What constitutes student life? Is it the fun and games? Is it welfare for the students? Is it academic advice and guidance? Where does it end? The answer I realized is that it doesn't end. Student life is really the entire experience a student would go through during their undergraduate years in school. So, how do our students experience the fun amidst the massive study load in school? This is where the Biological Sciences Club comes in. So, what exactly do we do? It's a wide range of stuff, honestly. We have the Acad and Welfare team, we have the BISMAC team, the events team, the publicity team, the sports team, the logistics team, and not forgetting our TCM team. Just by looking at the number of them, it is clear that the committee does our best to provide a vibrant student life for every SBS student. One of our major events every semester is the Exam Welfare Day. Our students have free and easy de-stress sessions with their friends. Games are often set up for students to play and win prizes from. Also, there are always free food and exam welfare items distributed to motivate and support our students during the stressful times. Every event, we will also have a highly popular team photo booth for students to take photos with their friends for memory's sake. In our most recent Halloween theme event, we even set up a haunted house for students, which was actually quite popular. And it was very fun to watch them scream from stress that isn't studies related. In addition, we also have our sports events, like the annual inter-school games, as well as the initiation of sports interest group to promote a more active lifestyle for our students. It also serves as a platform for our students to relax together and get to know one another outside of simply academics. More than just our main committee, we also have subsidiary clubs that deal with more ad hoc events. One of it is the FOP, which stands for Freshman Orientation Program. It is one of the most well-known and integral part of the uni experience where we meet our fellow schoolmates for the first time. Orientation groups go through the program together, playing games and exploring the school, and eventually forms the foundation of our social network here. As for YEP, the Youth Expedition Program is an initiative aimed at doing meaningful overseas and local community services. The hardships and culture immersion from their trips to Nepal and Myanmar during the summer break enables the students to develop empathy and expand their perspective of the world. Through these experiences, they also make many memories that they hold closest to their hearts. Academically, we are also in the midst of pushing out new initiatives. One of the most recent ones is the coding workshops conducted by our very own students from the SBS Biohackathon Club. These workshops are unique in the sense that much of the content are applicable specifically in the bio field. All these workshops will also lead up to our very first Biohackathon event set to happen at the end of this semester. In fact, many more exciting things are on the agenda to be pushed out in the following years, and I sincerely hope that all of you watching this right now will be able to come and experience it for yourself. Thank you very much, and I hope to see all of you at SBS.